Sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching other trucks roll in, then I watch them roll away again. I've been backed up to this dock all day, just watching the other trucks roll away. I've been sitting at the dock all day, just wasting time. I left my home in Georgia, headed for the Frisco Bay.
We're done for the day. Hey, madam, are we done for the day? Are we? Yeah? You wanna go outside or something? Huh? What? What'd you say? What'd you say? You wanna go to the grass? Huh? You wanna go to the grass? Alright, you can let go of the leash now. I'm going this way. Okay, go to the grass. Well, you don't need to attack the camera. Come on, get on the grass. Hey, Dingleberry, let's go. Let go, off the leash. Let's go. There's grass there. Lots of garbage, but there's grass there. Yeah, come on. Get on the grass there, Dinky. Leave the cup alone. Come on. Tall grass. And we're by the railroad tracks. Is there a choo-choo coming? There's a lot of times a train will come here. And by the way, we're in Lebanon Junction, Kentucky. A lot of times a train will come here and it'll stop right here. And it'll go inside and get lunch or dinner. Right? Right? Turned out to be a gorgeous day today. We're at the pilot. Can't even. Alrighty, so yeah, that video ended abruptly. My video card filled up, and I know I thought I did more video. I did do more video, but I don't know where the footage is. I've checked both cards, and I cannot find it. So, at any rate, okay, so you guys are looking here at something strange that you've never seen before with me. And this is because I'm inserting this video just to fill today's vlog up. One of the reasons why today's vlog is going up late, I apologize. Anyway, so yeah, I'm at home right now, even though in the video I'm still on my way back up. However, I have managed to get into World of Warships closed beta. So anyway, so we've worked our way up the tech tree quite a bit already. I've already gone through all the tier 1s, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to be doing some videos on all this, starting from the beginning with tier 1. But currently, we've got our second aircraft carrier. I'll show you later. We're currently working on the St. Louis. I want to get the Phoenix. So let's go ahead and get in to a battle and see what happens. Now, this sometimes can take a while. I don't know what time it is over in Russia, because the test server, I believe... Oh no, this one might be through America because everyone was speaking English on it. I don't know where this, what server we're with, to be honest with you. I don't know if we're in a North American server. I think this is North American closed beta. I'm not sure because Europe is on a separate server. So, but anyway, it's early in the morning, so there's not a lot of people on right now. So, we are going to do this. Alrighty, so here we are. We're getting in. The map is called Ocean. You can see the two different teams here. And what we have. We're going against a team with 2 aircraft carriers. We only have 1. Ours is a tier 5. Their 2 aircraft carriers are tier 4, but that gives them a lot more option to freaking kill us. So this is going to be interesting. I don't know how long we'll last. Now, this is not a quick jump in your tank, drive up to something, and start shooting. Okay, so let's just get onto the map here and see where we're going to go and how we're going to approach this. gonna head over here, and then we're gonna zigzag back and forth. So, in a ship, everything takes time to maneuver. So we've got it on autopilot for the time being. Let's try to, I can't get it to scroll properly here. This is our ship, St. Louis. Got a bunch of armament here on the side guns, a bow gun and a tail gun. I don't know what you call it, bow, port, no, port, starboard, bow and stern. So I guess stern is the rear, that'd be the stern gun there. Bow guns up front. So we want our guns turning this way. You can see the little orange half circles, whatever you want to call them, hash marks. That's the guns turning. It takes a little bit of time to get the guns to turn. Alright, so we got them in place. We're only running at half speed right now, so we're going to lock them in position. Control X. We'll get them locked so that I can turn around and they're ready to go. See the other ships going here. Got a little destroyer up there. Now these buoys here, that's our base, if you want to call it that. So the circle of buoys would be our cap, which is our flag, which is what they're going to try to capture. And way over there where you see the red one is where theirs is. So you can see one of them is shooting off a smoke screen over there. And there's a little destroyer in there at 9.7 kilometers. Can't really see him to fire on him. The lead time is pretty tough on those destroyers because of how fast they move. So we're going to concentrate on what's over here. They're not in range at all. This guy is in range if I can see him. I'm going to try. He's moving pretty quick. Oh, frig, I forgot to release my guns. That was pretty stupid. Don't have to worry about hitting the buoys. They're sort of like invisible. The frig did the little bastard go? He's in there somewhere. 12.5 kilometers. For these lower tier ships, that's a really long range. Can't get to it. But we're going to take shots here in a second. We're going to bring up the speed. Let's see what we can do here. Oh, they're just out of range. I can't get my reticle up to them. Let's try this one. We're not actually shooting to that ship on the left. We're shooting to the one on the right because of the lead time. Let's see how close we get. Just over top of them there. Okay, we got a couple that hit. We're hitting them. Oh, I should be putting AP in, but... Gotta watch, we got torpedoes coming here. We're taking some major hits here. Torpedo planes are coming and they're going to, they've already dropped. Try to kill him before he kills us. We got torpedoes in the water. Here we go. Oh. We're dead. Yeah, we didn't... Ah, and the ship even broke apart. Yeah, we were going against the three ships there. We had the torpedo bombers, which you can see in the air there, on us. And we had no help in sight, which kind of sucks. It's kind of par for the course when it comes to pub matches. Exit to port. what I'll do. I'm gonna put you in a destroyer just to show you how that goes real quick. Which one do I want to go? I have no idea. Oh, what do I have? Oh, I got rid of most of my little stuff, didn't I? Alright, here we are in our thing. And it started already, so let's get this puppy underway. Let's take a look at the map. Again, fairly open. Okay, we're over here. This could be interesting. Let's plot a course just to start.
Autopilot mode enabled.
We're gonna just do a quick so you can plot your course. And it will automatically go that way. Put her at full throttle, and this puppy will fly. Now we do have some torpedoes. We do have smoke screen in this one, and of course the standard armament. We don't have too many guns. We've only got 2 stern guns and 1 bow gun, plus the 2 torpedo tubes. So we're going to get them pointed off to the left already. It takes a little bit to get them to turn around. These low tier ones.
Waypoint reached.
See, now when it gets to the waypoints, which you can see on the map, it will, or on the screen, it does start to turn. We do have a ship right there, so we want our guns on the left once this guy starts turning.
Waypoint reached.
This little boat, these little boats just pretty much, I won't say fly. So we're gonna get the smoke screen going.
Critical engine damage.
This is not gonna go well. Why are you taking so long to load? Dude.
Target penetrated.
Okay, so we've got a target. We're gonna go 3, and we gotta get it in the glide path. Or shit, got no propulsion system.
Problem solved, sir.
Hopefully he gets in within the what did we just run into? Another ship.
Autopilot mode disabled.
Because I wasn't paying. That's the other thing too, is you really got to pay attention. I wasn't paying attention. Gotta watch when you come up to the islands.
Our team has taken the lead.
Yeah, I can't reach him. Him I can reach. Ah, too low. Hit. We're gonna get hit. I'm gonna do a hard right. Try to get away from these bastards. I don't think it's gonna work.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
Yeah, we know that. I don't think I'm gonna survive a too many more hits here. I don't think he's even moving. Why the hell we stopped? Did I press the wrong button or something? Oh, I forgot. I must have pressed the reverse button by accident. I stopped this from moving. Oh, crap. See if I can get this. Get him before he gets me. Gonna be hard pressed here. Oh, the torpedoes just missed him. Come on, load. Okay, he's dead. We've got virtually no life left. Oh, this guy's gonna finish us off, isn't he? Why they're just stop sitting in there? Ah, damn freaking island. They're controlling most of it, so we gotta kill them. Oh, he's right here. Where the frig did he go? Oh, and I died. Alrighty. Like I said, the destroyers are a little bit quicker, but not me today. Alrighty. Well, that's it. That's all. Hopefully this didn't turn out too boring. But anyways, for those of you who want World of Warships, you can get it. It's still in closed beta. The only thing you have to do is buy one of the premium ship packs, and it will grant you access into the closed beta. Alright, that's it. That's all.
Sitting in the morning sun, I'll be sitting when the evening comes, watching other trucks roll in, then I watch them roll away again. I've been backed up to this dock all day, just watching the other trucks roll away. I've been sitting at the dock all day, just wasting time. left my home.